Gold and silver traded in a narrow range where we are seeing gold trading with modest bullishness and struggling to break beyond 29-20-24 zone, the levels which we had been discussing uh, since long now, that these are going to remain good resistance and support levels, while silver has also failed to trade beyond 32.80 and trying to erase some of the gains. Now has come towards 32.50. What to expect big day today? The NFP data is going to set the stage on fire. And yes, the chairman Powell's speech again is going to add to the further volatility. What to expect, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading gold and silver today, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. When you look at the hourly charts of gold, it is clearly confining itself here in this broader range, and notice these three spikes here. Lower lows are getting created while the highs are almost flat. It suggests that on the upside the resistances are pretty strong while the downside is pretty open here. And yes, earlier in the day I have mentioned 28.90, 28.80 is the zone it needs to break, and below that it is going to correct sharp. Now look at the hourly charts. What has happened here? Look at the performance so far. See the bigger drop, then the retracement, lower highs, then the drop, then the retracement, slightly higher highs and higher lows. So higher highs, higher lows. Thus gold needs to come out of this zone pretty strong, which suggests we have to be watchful as long as 28.90, 28.80 zone is not taken. Now on the upside the resistances are anyways intact here at 29.20-24 zone, and then towards 29.30-32 very strong resistances are available. Look at the hourly charts here. Resistance here on the upside, prices are trying to reverse. I will wait for it to now trade below 29.10, and then 29.05 should be the first target, and then towards 29.100, 29.02 should be the next. If it trades below 2900, more bearishness should prevail. We can expect it to move all the way towards 28.95, 28.890, and then 28.80, the critical support level. See, right now on the hourly charts, the moving averages are trading with moderate divergence and moderate bullishness here. The stock IC was overbought, trying to look downwards, trying to trade bearish. The MACD, if you look at, see, MACD has retraced here now, trying to cross over, and this crossover suggests that it can continue to retrace on the upside. But yes, we have to be very much watchful here. Let's have a look at the other time frames as well before concluding. RSI looking downwards, slightly bearish sign it is. On the 2 hour charts, and on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. See, rise, retracement, rise, it could start to retrace. Higher lows means we have to be cautious at least till towards 28.90, 28.80 zone. That is the only zone below which you can say now the bears are back. Notice it is consolidated enough here. Notice the formation, the rise, the consolidation. A breakout beyond 29.24 and then 29.30-32 should lead the prices all the way towards the double top levels. It is possible that if it breaks this zone, that is 29.24, and then towards 29.30-32, we can look forward to 29.40-50, or in fact the higher highs at 29.55-56. But right now I can say it is too early to conclude. If you look at the formation, see, rise, retracement, rise, and it could retrace here. Possibilities high, looking downwards. Stochastic overbought. MACD has just crossed over. Supportive sign for the bulls here on the MACD. Notice the rise, the retracement, and crossover here can lead to the top again. RSI is trading comfortable. Coming to 3 hour. Likewise on the 3 hour chart, similar observation. A consolidation is happening here. Wait for a breakout either which ways. Moving averages have crossed over here. Trading with divergence, staying bullish. Notice the support it has gathered on the downside here towards 29.1008. Very good support is seen here. Thus we need to wait for it to now trade below 29.10 in order to confirm a direction. Moving averages are bullish. It is supportive sign for the bulls. Stochastic rising here, while look at the MACD crossing over here for sell. Trading with moderate bearishness. We have to watch out with caution. RSI comfortable. Coming to 4 hour. Interestingly, on the 4 hour charts, the consolidation is there. The moving averages have crossed over here. The support from the 2050 period moving average pretty strong. With that as support, we have seen the rise in prices. Now notice the current candle, it is struggling to break on the upside, and these are the same levels where we have seen prices struggling since long now. Look at this, multiple candles getting reversed from the same zone, and now again today this is the same observation. So now even if you see it is staying below 29.14, we can say that possibly this may try to move towards 29.10, 29.05. These are the support levels, and below this is where you can say now prices are reversing. Else I will say too early. See this rise, sideways formation, and a breakout here either which ways is going to be strong enough. So we have to watch out. Still stochastic has dropped here. The MACD has crossed over for the sell, but it is trying to converge. Right now no divergence is seen, and it is showing no bearishness here. The RSI is running flat. Coming to daily charts, notice what has happened on the daily chart. See these three candles, preceding three candles, including today's. You can see lower highs are seen. At the same time, higher lows are seen. But when you see the last two candles, you can see lower lows are there. Lower highs, lower lows. Potential for it to breach below 2890, 2880 exists. And also notice what has happened here. You can see three bullish candles are seen. After this strong bearish move, we have seen prices retracing. And yesterday, what we had seen day before, that the bullishness got diminished, and then we have seen then one red candle appearing. But most importantly, if you look at this move here, you will find that the 20 period moving average is offering it a very good support. That is, thus it is very important for the price to trade below 2900, 2890, and in fact 2880. Stochastic here is overbought. The MACD right now, after the crossover trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards, the RSI is trying to rise. So looking at this, what I'll recommend, and before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, considering the charts, I will recommend you to buy only if you see now gold trading above 29, 24, 26 zone. This is the first resistance zone. Second is 29, 30, 32. If these two levels are taken, close your eyes, stay bullish. We are looking forward to 2940, 2948.50, and then 2955, the record levels beyond which the sky is the limit, all the way towards 2970 and 3000 levels. Chances for which appears to be less though. On the downside, now I'll recommend a selling entry at 2914, 2915 levels. Yes, if you see trading below this, you can take a sell, expect 2910, 2905. 2900, and if that is taken, then 2819, 2880. Below 2880, greater correction ahead. You can wait for 2860 or 2840 levels as well. Possibility is high that prices might still reverse. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly charts, notice the formation completely sideways movement. It is trying to trade in a box, and the support levels I have mentioned earlier, that only and only if it trades below 3240, 3220, you can say that now it is trying to turn bearish. And see, the whole day prices are just constraining itself within a narrow zone, narrow box. Notice the formation here, rise, retracement, lower highs, so lower lows are possible. And now I'll wait for it to trade below 3240, 3220 zone, which should be ideally a very good support zone for silver for the day. Moving averages are still bullish, and now the prices are trading below 20 period. Now let it trade below 50 period as well, which means 30 to 40. If it trades below, modest bearishness should be seen, and if it trades below 30 to 20, you can say we can look forward to a greater correction. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness looking downwards. The RSI has dropped here. Coming to 2 hour, while if you notice on the 2 hour charts, 20 period moving average providing it a very good support so far. And thus I will wait for the next candle, and I'll wait for the price to trade below 20 period moving average, which will be a sign that now the bears are taking over. Also, the resistance on the upside is pretty strong. It's a flat top, and you can say higher lows, narrowing triangle. Wait for it to come out of this. That will deliver a stronger move. Either which ways, yes, it can break out on the upside. We can look forward to a bullish move as well. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, looking downwards, staying bearish. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, notice what has happened here. See a good, great consolidation on the upside. Drop, retracement, drop, retracement. A flat top is seen looking downwards here. I will wait for it to correct more. I will wait for it to trade below 3240 and then 3220 zone. This zone is going to be pretty important for silver for the day. 3240, 3220 zone. If at all it trades below this, you can say now we are looking forward to a little correction. $32 should be the next target zone, which should be ideally very good support. And if it trades below 32, wait for the next round of correction. See the drop, the retracement, a drop below 32 should confirm the next round of correction all the way towards 3150 or 31. Stochastic looking downwards. See MACD after retracing here towards the top has crossed over, suggesting more bearishness ahead. Be mindful of this. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation. See a bigger bullish candle, then the retracement. It is delivering higher lows here. Wait for it to deliver a breakout. Again and again I am highlighting this fact. 3240, 3220 should be ideally a very good support for silver for the day. Below this you can expect more correction, and then 32 levels should appear. Moving averages crossing over here, trading with divergence, is a good sign for the bulls. At the same time, higher lows are also important and higher highs are also important. So once it breaks out beyond 3280 is where you can confirm the bulls are taking over. You can in fact wait for 3310 or 3340 levels. Stochastic looking downwards. See MACD crossing over for a sell, not a good sign supportive for further bullishness. RSI has dropped. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, what has happened? Bigger rise and bigger retracement, bigger rise and bigger retracement. And now it is on the upward move again. And see what has happened so far for the last 3 to 4 sessions. Three stronger bullish candles were seen, and then one single indecision candle has appeared. Now this could take the prices either which ways, but once it trades beyond 32.20 and 32, that is the time you can confirm that this is a reversal candle, and this candle can be extremely big. Yes, this candle can take the prices further down. Notice lower highs are seen, lower lows. So if you connect this dot, you can find out the lows to be far below towards 30-50 levels. The stochastic here is overbought, but look at the MACD on the daily charts crossing over for the buy, supportive of further bullishness. RSI flat. So looking at this, what I will recommend, I will recommend a buying entry only and only if you see silver trading above 32.80, where you can expect 33.05, 33.10 levels. First target zone 33.40, 33.50 second. And if at all it trades beyond 33.40, 33.50, stay bullish for 33.85, 34.20, 35 very, very soon. If not today, then in the near future. Remember 33.10, 33.40 should be a greater hurdle for silver to break beyond. On the downside now, the selling entries are at 32.20 levels, or in fact, you can sell at 32.40 itself. When you see the higher price below 32.40, you can take a sell, expect 32.20, 32, and then 31.75, 31.50. If these four levels are taken, stay short for 31 and 30.50 very, very soon. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the weekly review tomorrow. It is going to give you a picture. It is going to show you a picture that what to expect from the metals in the coming week, where to enter, where to exit, and what are the levels which you should watch out for. So do not miss to watch it. Just subscribe, press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend.